Yes, well, these additional charges add to the charges already laid in August. These additional charges were laid just before Christmas. But he pleaded not guilty to all 12 charges. One by one, those charges were read, and one by one, he said simply not guilty as he stood in the dock of Southwark Crown Court. Now, he arrived this morning with his wife by his side, Alwyn, and his daughter, Bindi. He also had quite a contingent of supporters and friends and relatives, and also private security. He had at least 4 people working for a private security company clearing the way for him. That probably because of the last time he appeared in court, it was a terrible mess, and there were reporters and journalists, cameramen falling over each other, and I guess this time they wanted to avoid that. It wasn't necessary this time. It was quite a clean entry and exit for the contingent, but the main news, of course, that he pleaded not guilty. He's also has yet to be arraigned on 4 counts of making an indecent image of a child, so we await to see what the result of that will be.
And Phil, some of these charges date back to the 1960s. Rolf Harris has been very quiet on this whole affair since it broke. It's going to be interesting to see at what point he may come out and talk publicly.
I doubt very much, given that he's said nothing to date, that he'll say anything before the trial. He's no doubt being advised by his lawyers not to. He's restricted under bail conditions to stay at his home. He can't go anywhere near anyone. He can't be in the company of anyone under 18 without another person at least over 21 also being there. So he is quite confined. But as he came in and as he left, he said nothing. He's never said anything about any of this. Privately, no doubt he has to friends and family, but publicly, not a word.